In 1978, 918 people died in the jungle of Guyana. The world called it mass suicide, but the audio recordings tell a different story. Jim Jones didn't just convince his followers to die, he murdered them. The 44-minute death tape captures something horrifying. Jones ordered the children to be poisoned first, with cyanide mixed into Flavor Aid, while their parents watched helplessly. You can hear crying children, parents begging for their lives, and Jones coldly telling them to die with dignity. When people tried to resist, armed guards forced them at gunpoint to drink the poison. No one could escape. Jones called it revolutionary suicide, but there was nothing voluntary about it. The most chilling detail, Jones himself refused to drink his own deadly cocktail. While 917 followers lay dead from poison, he died from a single gunshot to the head. The Jonestown Massacre wasn't suicide. It was mass murder orchestrated by a coward who wouldn't face his own medicine.